Hello everyone on GrowUp Tech Solution video lectures. In this video, we will let you know how to create your own website in a few minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing we will do is to go to GrowUp Portfolio website and sign up ourselves. I will speed up this video so it don't waste your much of time. Register yourself. After registration, you will log in yourself. After successfully login, you will see this preview. Your name on the top, some preview section on which after creating the website you can see your portfolios. After login, you will see on the left hand side we have three options: dashboard, user profile and guide. We will come back to dashboard after entering the user profile. On user profile, you have to answer and enter some server of questions. This data will be appear on the website. Firstly, your name, and it should be edited only once. You also have to enter an avatar picture of yourself. In this section, you have to choose a domain name. A domain name is a name with a www.growupinfo.com. You can choose any word instead of example. I will choose my name short name as Shamir. Some designated cache phases. I'm the CEO, developer, and a phone number, email, location, date of birth, a bit about yourself, user profile links, I have entered my LinkedIn profile over here and skip it for now. Professional skills, I will enter 4 skills. Some professional experience. I will enter 2 experience over here. So you will see the 2 fields over here. You can also set some background.